In India, spirituality is often associated with the color saffron. But if we look deeper into the nature and philosophy, blue might actually be the true color of spirituality. Blue is the color of the sky, stretching endlessly above us, a reminder of the heavens. It is the color of the ocean, vast, mysterious, and powerful. In Hindu philosophy, blue represents the infinite and the divine. Lord Shiva's blue form represents the boundless nature of the cosmos, endless like the sky and deep like the ocean, symbolizing all pervading divine consciousness. And here in Jodhpur, a city where the spiritual color dominates the landscape. Welcome to Jodhpur, the blue city of India. As you walk through these narrow lanes beneath the towering Mehrangarh Fort, something magical unfolds. Almost every house around you is painted in shades of cobalt, indigo, and azure. From rooftops to doorways, from staircases to courtyards, the city looks like a flowing ocean of blue. But this is not a modern artistic choice. This tradition dates back several centuries, likely between the 15th and 17th centuries. Originally, the homes near the forts were inhabited by the Brahmin community, the priestly class in Hindu society. To signify their identity and social status, Brahmins began painting their homes blue, a color associated with Lord Shiva, whom they deeply revered. At first, the blue houses clearly marked Brahmin households, but over time, the beauty and practicality of the color began to influence others. Gradually, the tradition spread beyond the Brahmin community, and the entire old city began to turn blue. But the color served more than just a cultural purpose. In the harsh desert climate of Rajasthan, the blue lime wash helped to keep homes cooler under the intense sun. It also helped to repel insects, making it both practical and protective for the residents. Another reason for its popularity was the availability of natural indigo in the region. Not far from here, the town of Bayana in eastern Rajasthan was once one of India's major centers for indigo production. This made blue dye relatively accessible for the people of the region. Over generations, what started as a symbol of identity slowly evolved into something much larger. Today, the blue walls of Jodhpur represent centuries of living heritage. Every doorway, every balcony, every faded blue wall holds stories from generations past. But it's important to remember one thing while exploring these beautiful streets. This is not a tourist attraction. These blue houses are real homes. Families have lived here for centuries, continuing traditions that are older than many modern cities. So, as we walk through these stunning lanes, admire the colors, appreciate the history, but also respect the people who call this place as home. Because in Jodhpur, blue is not just a color painted on walls. It is culture, it is history, and it is a tradition that has colored the city's soul for over 500 years.